Okay, class, I just want to create a short video to maybe help you create the one slide that you have to make for presentation number 2. So you've probably seen a menu familiar to this, the beginning PowerPoint menu. You can choose one of these designs. You know, you've all done this before. I'm going to choose blank presentation here because there's a design that I would like to use. Click on that design menu, and there's even more options here with this down arrow. I love this little rainbow one. I'm going to choose that. You see the first slide that pops up is a title slide. You don't need a title slide. You're not making a presentation. We only need one little slide. So you don't need to add another slide down here. You can just change the layout of this. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this slide, go down here to layout, change it to, probably the best for these purposes will be right up here, title and content. Click on that. Okay, I know that I want to center this box, for example. You can go over here, see how this little guy pops up. You can move it, and that little red dotted line, that means your box is centered. I'm going to leave it there. Here, type the title of your country. Okay, whoops. Even though I don't think anyone's doing this one. And then here, I want to make it look nice. I'll go over here, make sure it's centered. I might even increase the font a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then you're going to come down here and add your content. And remember the 6x6 rule. Maybe you have some bullet points. You know, we're doing the keep it simple, all that stuff. You know, whatever your content is. And here you'll probably end up wanting to make some of these a little bit larger, right? A good rule of thumb is nothing much smaller than 30-point font. So here it's at 32. You know, you can go a little smaller, whatever works for your content. So you know, I'm not going to show you any more about making your slide because we were talking about that in class. But the next thing I want to show you, so now you just have one slide. It's just a one-slide presentation, but we don't need it to be a presentation. So instead of having to open up PowerPoint when you present your slide, you don't have to do this, but what I like to do, I'm going to go here to File, Save As. I would like to save it to my desktop, so here's that. I don't want to save it. See down here where it says PowerPoint presentation, save as type? I don't want that. I'm going to click down here. I just want it to save as a PDF. I just want a picture of that one slide. I just need to see that. I'm going to save it like that. It's going to ask you about publishing. That just means it's turning it into a PDF. You know, you just need the standard size. All this is pretty normal. You can save it, and after you save it, depending on your settings, it might pop up for you to view it. Mine will do that here. So I'm saving it. It's turning it into a picture. And there it is. So it's literally just a picture. And from here, you can email this to yourself, you can email it to me, you can put just a picture on a flash drive, and it will open up in any sort of picture viewing program. So we don't even have to mess with PowerPoint. It's okay if you want to do PowerPoint, but you might need to know, it might be good to know how to save your slides as PDFs. So that's it. Remember all the things we talked about in class, you know, for the layout and stuff. But other than that, I just wanted to show you a couple of things about changing the layout of the slide and then also how to save it as a PDF. All right, best of luck on your presentations.